How smartphones are made today inside the modern factory.
Today, I'll show you exactly how smartphones are made, proof step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Every smartphone begins with carefully selected raw materials. Silicon for microchips, specialized glass for the display, aluminum for the frame, and advanced lithium battery cells. Each material is thoroughly inspected to meet strict quality and precision standards. At this stage, accuracy is critical. Even the smallest flaw can affect the final device.
The raw materials are then processed using advanced automated systems. Silicon is refined into powerful microchips through highly controlled temperature and pressure conditions. Technicians monitor every step from digital control panels, ensuring perfect balance and consistency. Only components that meet exact specifications move forward to the next stage.
This is the core of smartphone manufacturing. Microchips are etched with laser precision, forming complex circuits at a microscopic scale. Robotic arms then assemble key components, processors, cameras, sensors, and circuit boards with incredible accuracy. Every unit is refined, tested, and prepared to become a complete smartphone. Once the core components are ready, final assembly begins. Displays are installed, batteries are inserted, and each smartphone is powered on for the first time. Automated systems ensure every part fits perfectly. The finished devices are then labeled, sealed, and carefully packaged for global distribution. Before leaving the factory, every smartphone undergoes a final quality inspection. Screens, cameras, touch response, and overall performance are tested one by one. Only products that pass all tests are approved for shipment. They are then loaded onto delivery trucks, ready to reach users around the world.
And that's how smartphones are made in mid-air, from start to finish.